Good evening, beautiful people of Barangay Santa Filomena. Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala din po bang pwedeng jowain dyan? Joke lamang po. To the honorable panel of judges, ma'am, sir, and to everyone that was watching tonight, magandang gabi po. Standing before you is a fresh 19 years old, hailing all the way last where the Corraldag Festival is celebrated, and the home of the precious seafoods in the province, municipality of Sasmuan, province of Pampanga. I am a bona fide student of Guagua National Colleges, taking up my bachelor's in tourism management. I am a proud academic achiever and a student leader. Folks, allow me to introduce myself. I am Maria Jacobe Onlas. At nag-iiwan po ako ng isang kasabihan na hindi nyo na po kailangan pa ng shabu, cocaine, o marijuana. Dahil sa ganda ko pa lang, sabog ka na. That will be all. Enjoy the rest of the night and let the battle of beauty and brain begins.
Thank you so much, comedy number 5, Ms. Maria Jacobe Onlas.